In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Creator Search Insights on TikTok. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open your TikTok application. Now from here, you want to tap on Search in the upper right corner of the screen and simply search for Creator Search Insight. And as you can see, the top part, you will see the creator search insights. So you just want to tap on view. And from here, we will see the insights. So what is the topic that is most searched? So we can also tap here on trending to see which topic is search very popular. As you can see, Monitor Lizard has a 95% search popularity, and we'll also search for intimate topics right here. So for example, let's search for TikTok. And as you can see, there is 85% search popularity. So people are also searching for TikTok here. So just from here, you will see what are the topics that people are most likely searching. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.